tour. Come on in.
My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel, and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to be sharing my fall home tour. I'm so happy that you stopped by. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope that you enjoy yourself enough today to hit that subscribe bell so that you can become a member of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle family. Now I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you take a look around, and I will hop back on to chit chat with you as we go along. Now this is my fall bar card. If you've not seen that video, it is up and you can check that out. I will link it in the description box below or in the iCard above so that you can check it out. And I also have a video for my non-traditional tablescape. As you can already see, I am into black and white this year for fall. My home is not overly decorated, but I did want to add some touches of fall using my black and white color scheme. Be sure to stop back by and check out my coffee bar. It's not decorated yet for fall, but that's coming in a couple days. I'm really enjoying the restoration hardware look, so you will see many inspired pieces in my home that I've either thrifted or purchased as dupes. Now this fall home tour is a part of an open collaboration that's being hosted by Mary at Rocky Mountain Gardens, and it's co-hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva Home. Now, as with any other collab, all of the details for their channels will be in the description box below, as well as the playlist, and a special thanks to these ladies for hosting this challenge. And even though it hasn't gotten warm in my area yet, I'm so excited for fall. So I do have my fireplace going on the TV on the YouTube channel. I enjoy watching this through the fall and winter months. It is just so relaxing. Now in my kitchen, I didn't do a lot of decorating, but up above my cabinets, I did want to add just a few little pieces to represent fall for the season. So now we're entering into the master bedroom and bathroom, and again I just entered just a few little touches of fall throughout the space, nothing overly done. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you may have seen where I transformed my master bath into a spa, which I am absolutely enjoying so much. But I did want to incorporate a few touches of fall in here, so I did add just a couple pumpkins, and I think that's about all that I changed in there. So we're back into the bedroom now, and that's really all that I've done, but I really like the little subtle changes. I did add this bowl here, which is a Restoration Hardware inspired piece. I just added some moss to it, and of course I have my fireplace going again in here as well. I'm not trying to rush winter, but I just love a good, warm, cozy fire. Even if it's on TV, I just enjoy it. What about you? All right, let's go upstairs and see what I've done up here. Now, the first thing you see is my crazy wild fall tree. So even though I wanted to go with the black and whites for my fall season for my main level, upstairs I did want to have some of the traditional colors, so I opted to put a fall tree there. And also I always decorate this table here that is supposed to be a game table, but it's never used for games, so I end up just decorating it for the seasons because I just enjoy tablescapes. And so this is a no spin tablescape here. I just put things together that I already had because I already had decor in the fall colors, traditional fall colors, so I just put it together here, and I really like the way that it looks, so that I can get my little taste of my traditional fall in addition to my black and white. Have you decorated for fall? If so, what are your color schemes this year? I've been seeing so many non-traditional colors put together. I've been seeing blues and golds and so many different combinations that look so amazing. I grew up with just the traditional fall colors, but I am just loving how now you have so many different options to still celebrate the fall season. You know, it's really nice to have. So drop down in the comments below and let me know, what are your colors for the fall if you're decorating? Now this is one of my spare bedrooms, and again I just added just a couple of pumpkins in here just for the season, and that is about it. Everything else is just as it always is. And now we're going into my office, and again I just added pumpkins in here, and I've changed my decor. In the spring summer I had Tiffany blue color in here, and for the season I wanted to have my black and white as I used for the rest of the house. And so I have my tree here, not really a fall tree, but it is a black and white tree, and I do love it. And I did add some elements of fall in here. I have some eucalyptus in here, I have some cotton stems, I have some willows in here. So I try to make it as autumn-like as possible, but I am loving the black and white. I picked up those ornaments after the holiday last season, and I knew that I was going to love a black and white tree at some point through the year. I do keep this tree up year-round and decorate it for each season, so I knew that I would go through a season with that black and white. So I'm really excited to be able to enjoy those bulbs finally. I sure have enjoyed having you along with me today on my home tour. I hope you enjoyed yourself. And please don't forget to stop by the host channels. Again, that's Mary at Rocky Mountain Gardens and Sonia from Domestic Diva Home. All of the information will be in the description box for your convenience. And if you're not a subscriber of my channel, please hit that subscribe button today before you leave so that you're notified when I upload new videos. I would love to have you as a part of the Sister Cousin family, and I look forward to seeing you over here again on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.